Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine. Ajit Singh from Colonel's Bradland Public School will teach you computer of grade 6. So this is a part 2 video for the chapter 3, enhancing a presentation. So let's start students with the interesting part of this chapter, enhancing a presentation. Students, in this part we will learn about adding transition effects. So student, transition effects appear when one slide changes to other during slideshow view. You can apply transition effects to single slide as well as to all the slides. Follow these steps to add transition effects. Select the slide on which you want to apply transition. Click on the transition tab. Transition to this slide group appears on the ribbon displaying multiple transition effects. Click on the drop down arrow to display all the transition effects. Select transition effects from the display choice. The current slide will display a preview of the selected effect. Select the effect option in the transition to the slide group to choose any effect from the displayed list. For some transitions like curtains, prestige, this option remains deactivated. Click on the drop down arrow of the sound option in the timing group and select any sound effect of your choice. Click on the preview button and observe its effects. Specify the transition timing by entering the number of seconds or minutes in the duration box in the timing group. Select the on mouse click checkbox if you want to advance the slide by changing the mouse. Click on the after checkbox if you want the slide to advance automatically to the next one after a certain period. You can specify the slide advance timing in the spin box. Click on the apply to all button to apply the selected effects on all the slides, otherwise those effects will be applied on the current slide only. Open the slideshow tab and click on the from beginning button. The presentation will start from the beginning along with all the applied transition effects. Tips for you: you can also apply transition effects in slideshow view. Open the transition tab and select the desired slide transition effects. Let's know more about a slideshow. Enforce the ideas, comments, solution or suggestion present in a slide. How to inserting sound clips in presentation. So students, music or sound effects can add a completely new dimensions to any presentation. You can add sound in the form of background music or special effects to give importance to specific content. Sound files can be added from the files stored on your computer or on a CD. You can even record your own narration or comments and then edit the audio to customize it for your presentation. Adding sound from a file. Select the slide where you want to add a sound. Select the insert tab and click on the audio drop down arrow in the media group. Choose the audio on my PC option from the menu. The insert audio dialog box will appear. Locate the audio folder on your computer and select the required files. Click on the Insert button. The audio file will be added to the slide indicated by a speaker icon on the slide. Two additional tabs, namely Format and Playback, appear under the Audio Tools tab on the ribbon. On the Playback tab in the Audio option group, select either Automatically or On-Click option from the drop-down list of the Start field. The Automatically option will start the sound automatically as soon as the slide appears in slideshow view, whereas the On-Click option will play the sound only when you click the left mouse button. To play sound, click on the speaker icon. The Play Pause tab appears right below the speaker icon. A tip for you students: to continuously play a sound clip, select the Loop Until Stopped checkbox in the Audio option group on the Playback tab. Know the fact: when we insert any sound, a speaker icon appears in the middle of the slide, so we can resize this icon and move it to other part of the slide. So my dear students, let me now tell you how to record audio narration. To add your own audio to the slide, first you will have to record it. While recording your sound, it is essential to connect a microphone that is compatible with your computer. Let us do it practically. Select the slide where you want to insert the recorded sound. Click on the Audio drop-down arrow in the Media group on the Insert tab. Choose the Record Audio option from the drop-down menu. The Record Sound dialog box appears. Type a name for the audio recording if you want. Click on the Record button to start recording. When you have finished recording, click on the Stop button. You can use the Play button to listen the recorded sound. When you are done, click OK. The audio clip icon appears on the slide, denoting that audio file has been embedded in the slide. Observe that on selecting the audio clip icon, the Audio Tools tab, which includes the Format and Playback tabs, appears on the ribbon. You can also see the audio playback controls displayed on the slide. Know the fact: students, the recorded sound files are assigned the extension .wav. Thank you students to watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you very much and subscribe this channel